Hey guys, in today's video, I will talk about the courses of real estate. In today's modern world, the business of real estate is growing day by day, so that its demand is also growing. So I will discuss about some real estate related courses. Most of the courses are from your favorite Coursera. So I am going to the first course. The course is provided by MITx via EDX. The name of the course is Socially Responsible Real Estate Development. This course is 5 weeks long. You can freely learn the course or finish it, but if you want a certificate, you have to pay. The certification price is 99 USDT and the learning is totally free. The second course is provided by Coursera, Increasing Real Estate Management Profits, Harnessing Data Analytics. This course is provided by Duke University. This course is 3 weeks long and there are 7 modules in this course: Introduction, Data Extraction and Visualization, Modeling, Cash Flow and Profits, Data Dashboards, Dashboard for Decision Makers, Final Projects. This course is not free, but you can apply for financial aid. The second course is from Coursera, Keller Williams Real Estate Agent Professional Certificate. This course is provided by Keller Williams through Coursera. This course is 3 weeks long and you have to complete this course through a flexible schedule. This course is not free, but you can apply for financial aid. Another course is Real Estate Property Management. This course is provided by Coursera Instructor Network. This course has only one module, Real Estate Property Management. You can apply for financial aid for this course if you wanna learn for free. The next course is The Principles of Real Estate. This course is provided by Keller Williams through Coursera. This course is 7 modules long. The job of a real estate agent, how real estate agents get paid, a day in the life of a real estate agent, be a student of the market, real estate is as lead generation, your business is your database, summary and wrap up, the principles of real estate. This course is not free. You can apply for financial aid. The next course from Coursera is Real Estate Financial Modeling. This course is also provided by Coursera Instructor Network. The next course from Coursera is Real Estate Development, Building a Value in Your Community. This course is provided by University of Michigan, which is a very reputed university. This course has total 5 modules: Instructions and General Principles, Idea and Approach, Feasibility through Due Diligence, Financing, Financial Modeling. There is also financial aid available. The next course from Coursera is Deep Learning for Real Estate Price Prediction. This course is provided by Coursera Project Network. The next course from Coursera is Urban Land Economics and Real Estate Market Dynamics. This course is also provided by Coursera Instructor Network. There is only one module, urban land economics and real estate market dynamics. The next course from Coursera is Energy Management for Real Estate Methods and Digital Tools. This course is provided by Politecnico Milano 1863 through Coursera. There are total 4 modules to complete the courses. You can financial aid for this course. The next and the last course of today's video is Manage a Real Estate Business. This course is provided by Keller Williams through Coursera. There are a total 5 modules: Real Estate and the Law 101, Establish a Financially Sound Business, Your Office, Personal Growth Leads to Business Growth, Summary and Wrap Up, Manage a Real Estate Business. You can apply for financial aid do the course for fully free. So it's all about today. Thank you all.